And yeah, thank you. Yes, clap. Here we go. Hey, everyone. Thanks for joining the virtual happy hour today.
Yeah.
So here's the challenge. It's to make your very own unique Quarantini using no more than 5 ingredients that are already in your fridge or pantry. Ice does not count. And it doesn't also necessarily have to be like a martini. I know not everybody has martini glasses, but whatever simple cocktail you can make with the ingredients you have. Got it?
Got it.
Cool. All right. So, Tyler, let's start with you. What do you got?
So you guys know how much I love coffee. So today I'm making a Latte Quarantine. So first I brewed some coffee. Then I added a little creamer to the coffee along with some ice cubes to cool it down. Then of course I added some Irish whiskey into it because that's my favorite. If I had a cocktail shaker, I'll just use that, but I don't, unfortunately.
Whoa, that looks amazing.
Yummy. Good pick-me-up.
All right, Dylan, what about you?
Okay, well, I just brewed some iced tea the other day, and I still have a bunch of lemons, so I'm gonna do a kind of lemon iced tea Quarantini. So first I had to make a quick, simple syrup with just sugar and water. Once I stir that together and have it bubble, I'll let that cool and then build the drink.
Ooh, pretty.
Oh, that looks real good, Dylan.
Yeah.
Have some tea bags and lemon. I'm gonna have to try to make that.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, it's so easy.
For now, I have another idea because I have some leftover basil in the fridge. It's on its last leg. So I'm gonna use that and make a simple leftover herb and citrus Quarantini. So I'm gonna start by juicing a full lemon. I'm using basil and lemon, but you can really use whatever leftover herbs and citrus that you have on hand. In a blender, you're gonna throw together the herbs, the lemon juice, some honey, a little bit of water and ice. And then you're gonna strain that whole mixture after you blend it.
That sounds so refreshing. I love the color too.
What did you make, Ivan?
Well, I'm taking a more indulgent route for this one. So I'm making more of like a dessert cocktail. I've got all the right ingredients for it, so get ready for the Smores Quarantine. So first I gotta make the graham cracker rim with some chocolate syrup and crushed up graham crackers. Then to a shaker, I'm gonna add some bourbon, but I'm sure any whiskey or even rum would work here. Gonna add some Irish cream, a little bit of chocolate syrup, and some ice. Shake that up, pour it into your rimmed martini glass, and of course a S'mores Quarantini wouldn't be complete without a marshmallow, so I'm just going to toast mine right over the stove and garnish it like so. Until we all meet again in person. Cheers, everybody.
Cheers.